Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Nature2 Cense Quiet Escape Shock. What is Nature2 Cense Quiet Escape Shock? Nature2 Cense Quiet Escape is a spa oxidizer and aromatherapy. Nature2 Cense lowers the use of chemicals in the spa, eliminates strong odors, and helps to give you the relaxing and peaceful environment wanted in a spa. Product benefits: Quiet Escape Fragrance, Non-chlorine, granular shock, no more chlorine smell, relieves tension and stimulates the senses. Dosage: 1 tablespoon per 250 gallons of water after each use. Be sure to check the instructions and the dosing chart before using. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.